Innovation, leveraging on technology and training skills for the future are some of the buzzwords that could easily be picked up from the visit by Chinese entrepreneur Jack Ma in his visit to Nairobi, that is. He spent the day engaging with academia, private sector and government, highlighted by a visit to State House, Nairobi. And TV's Laban-Cliff Onserio attended his lecture at the University of Nairobi and brings us this report.
After a packed day from seeing entrepreneurs right here in Nairobi, seeing the president of Kenya, and speaking to the private sector in the country, the Chinese billionaire took his time at this very stage where he spoke to a contingent of students and lecturers and the private sector. And here were some of the highlights.
We're creating a single digital market where we can reach over 1 billion people through any of the countries that are in Africa. And as Kenya, we're building a very significant infrastructure. We have some of the best talent, young people with great ideas.
I'm not coming here trying to inspire you. I'm coming here to tell the truth that this morning I found Africa as much more opportunity because you have young people. You have the whole world today is worried.
Jack Ma took this opportunity to inspire the academic fraternity that universities should look towards training for the future, not only for now, but for 10, 20, or even 30 years to come.
What are the jobs that we need in 30 years, 20 years? That is the job machine cannot do. Universities start to prepare now.
Our desire is not to help Kenyans to increase how much import from China. You already import enough. We want to say, how can we learn from what the Chinese are doing to also export our own? That mind shift is critically important for us.
Well, what's your advice to the governments right now, even as they prepare for the elections?
Every government, the next future should focus on young people, focus on small business people, and focus on the universities' education change.
And very soon, I am going to start my own business, and I'm going to be like Jack Ma.
Well, those are some of the highlights that were presented right here at the University of Nairobi lecture hall. Jack Ma now leaves to Kigali, Rwanda, where he'll speak to President Kagame and a host of other youth at the Youth Connect Summit in Rwanda. Well, I must say, a successful day and, of course, an opportunity for East Africa to grab. Reporting from the University of Nairobi, my name is Laban-Cliff Onserio. Have a good night.